Framer just dropped their biggest release of the year, and I am very excited about it. Framer plugins is a game changer, and it's unlocking huge amount of new use cases inside the Framer platform. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it. Let's go. Okay, so plugins are these independent applications that sit inside your Framer site. So here's an example on the screen now of just a little icon plugin here, and you can see it's just this floating window, and I can kind of move it around the canvas to be positioned or pinned to whichever side I like. And simply these plugins lets us add functionality. If you use Figma a lot, you've probably used a ton of their plugins. And for example, this one here, which is just a simple plugin to drag and drop some icons, I can just find the icon that I want. I could search for one. So let's say if we looked for a search icon and we've got these cool binoculars here, I can just kind of drag and drop them onto my canvas, and that's an example of a real simple plugin. Another example of a bit more of an advanced plugin is a platform like Fenty, which essentially allows you to build membership sites inside of Framer. So for example here, again, I've got all these different components that I can use. So I could just like drag and drop a sign up form if I wanted to inside of my site, but we've also got extra functionality in here as well. So I can actually control all the settings of my application. I can manage all my members. I can integrate to different tools like Zapier or Intercom, and a lot more things as well. Now with the plugins release, essentially there's a CMS API now that's available. So if you want to connect Framer with Notion or Google Sheets with Notion CMS, you can actually do that pretty easily now, just using some of the plugins that are already available. So to open a plugin, you will notice this new icon at the top left of your canvas. So if we click on that, you'll see we'll get this new search bar here, and you can see we've got a bunch of different recent and featured plugins. So let's say if I did want to open the Notion plugin, I can just click on that, and you'll see that it prompts me to create a new collection. Now, because this is a plugin for the Framer CMS, that means it's going to create a new collection on my behalf, and that collection inside my CMS is going to be tied to that plugin. So let's just call it Notion. And then you'll notice I'll get a bunch of different steps to kind of go through and actually connect my CMS. So you can see I've already connected my Notion account, and it's pulling all the data from a database inside of Notion. And then you'll notice when I import that it's now successfully pulled all of my content. Now, if I click on Browse Plugins, I can open the Framer Marketplace. So this is the brand new Framer Marketplace, and it's got a new tab here for plugins, and you can see all the different plugins that are currently available. Currently, there's about 36 that were included in the pilot program. I'm sure there'll be plenty more to come, but there's heaps here to explore with already. So let's say there's a plugin that we really want to use. So for example, this Dither, it lets us create these really cool effects with different images. I can just load up this plugin here, and I can select open in, and then I can select the project that I want to open that in. The other way of doing it is just to go into Framer, press on the plugin icon, and then I can search for any plugin that's currently available on the marketplace. So yeah, there's some really cool plugins already out there for Framer on the marketplace. Couple from us that we released, which is Framer Forms and Fenty. Framer Forms meaning you can build more advanced and powerful forms, and Fenty letting you add membership sites into Framer. But there's a ton of really cool ones out here too. This Doodles one is really cool. It lets you draw something with a pencil, and then it converts it to an SVG for you. Spell Checker, which will actually go through and check all of your content on your website and see if there's any typos, because no one wants to make those mistakes. And I know this one has been a big one that's been requested for a long time, which is the ability to export your CMS to a CSV file. You can actually do that now with this plugin from Framer. So yeah, this just opens up a huge amount of new use cases. As you can tell, I am super excited about plugins. It actually opens up a huge new world of opportunities, and I can't wait to share some of those findings that I find with you guys as well. But until next time, I'll catch you later.